Hello and welcome to this Plan Board demo video. Plan Board is a Google Sheets add-on that interacts with Google Calendar to have a planning board where you can easily find free space for more business. All your calendars are retrieved in a list. The free version can only use the primary calendar. This video shows the upgrade version. We first select the calendars that we want in the planning board, where they are shown in the order they have in this list. As an example, House A and House B are calendars associated with what we rent out. We set the visibility to these calendars and then click on Refresh in the sidebar. The sidebar was opened from the Extensions menu. In the Planning Board worksheet, you can see the events per calendar. When a calendar is collapsed, the events are summarized on a timeline. In the timeline, we see where we can create an event. We first select the period of the event and then get the selection in the sidebar. In the sidebar, we enter the event title and create the event. The planning board is refreshed and will contain the created event. An event can be updated by first selecting a new period. We then get the selection in the sidebar. After the update, the planning board is refreshed. Replanning an event to another calendar is possible by selecting the event title. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install Plan Board in the Google Workspace Marketplace.